times after they passed away. Until they were there, nothing was given out freely. மூணாவது ஆவர்த்தத்தில் 2 அக்ஷரம் தள்ளி கரெக்டா சொல்லிட்டேன். So our motto was to just dance. They will conduct. You cannot ask any questions. Part of that Bani, the Nattuvanar Bani especially, not disclosing. And you saw while developing the hands for the Sancharis in the Sahitya, Dharalo Neradhatavaina Dakshina Dwaraka Mannargudi, which is known as the Dakshina Dwaraka, Champakaranya Kshetra. The hands were all set around that, the Champaka trees and the Lord's nose being resembling the Champaka flower, the Murti, the Sthala, the Tirtha. It is all developed according to, on those lines. And the different credas of Lord Krishna, Rasa, and he's playing with the, as a cowherd boy, and being Gopala, Raja Gopala, and the grandeur of the form with his Kasturi Tilaka and the lotus eyed, all that had to be placed here. Now I go on with the Muktai to show the clinging, because there are not adavas set in a form that it will kind of drift through various poses and other things. It will adhere closely to the musical pauses and the placing of the swaras, so that there is a close link between the two. That is from Mamogalagiri, and this will be followed by the Tattumittu.
Ma padama gari pama ma padadini ida pama 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 padadi sani da pama gama padadi padi da pama gari sama gama pada pama pasani da pama gama sidani dadi sani da pama gari sani da pama gama Moganagiri mirde யாராலே சூதோ இது போதாகிலும் பார்வத தாமதமென வேறேதோ மாறன் வேலையே சினதா யதாவது தாலாபமா இதன தேகை மதியினால் முனே கூடிய கால பலவோ நிராசை சுகம் மடியாடவர் உறவு சதமா
speaking of pure Abhinaya in the Padam section, there is again this concept of right and left, clarity in Hasta Vinyogas, especially usage of Shikhara and Pataka. For example, Shruti Nitru. I'm just showing just one line for usage of Shikhara and Pataka, how clarified and clear it is. Unnai tujane pine yennade nadalgadu unnai tujane pine yennade nadalgadu. Why I am insisting here is, there is not one unfinished Hasta Mudra like Unnai Tudane Pine Yenna. The Shikhara is always, it's never like this. And always she said, if the hand droops here, she'll say, raise it. Small details even was very important to give the total vision. And then, there is never Abhinaya taught in sitting posture by Bala. She always walked and showed. And if a basic Tala Dhyana was not there for a student, because all the students were not musically oriented, she would just say, Deva Devanum Deviyar Arul Sheida Divya Swarupane Tiru Tanigai Varum Pratapane. That kind of mode of practice, that is the Tala aspect is kind of infused to the student, so that the walking comes automatically whenever the Abhinaya hand comes. That is a very important thing, because there is no moment where there is freezing at one place, whether it is Shlokam, Padam, Javali, you have to be walking back and forth, which gives actually and propels the content to be perfectly fused. And where there is a need for urgent walking, you can immediately infuse it. Then Abhinaya extending beyond the words to give a complete visual dimension to the idea expressed, and keeping up with the sthai, the central mode. While walking back and forth, leaving one avartana of the lyrical line, like what I did during the Dharalo, without doing any Abhinaya, just walking back and forth, to allow some pause, Vishranti, in between. She would say, allow, don't vomit everything continuously one after the other, make the audience feel tired. And also you can, during that time, see who have all come and how much to present. This was kind of joking thing. Yaar vandirukanga paathukadi appo ellathiyum continuous-a panna vendam. ஒரு பாஸ் கொடுக்கறதே அடுத்த கையெல்லாம் மனசுக்குள்ளே நீ தீர்மானம் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஏன்னா nothing in our school, in our Bani is prefixed. Whatever Bala taught is there somewhere in the mind. The nucleus may be there. Even on an Arangetram time, I was never given rehearsal for the Abhinaya section. What she taught in the class, the nucleus was there, and you had to expand on your own. What I call usually to my colleagues, networking. That networking, small span, if something is lacking, you can even do this or do this and then fill it up to make it a little more complete. Never leave a void. But if you rehearse and then ask the drummer to accompany your walk and this, and there is no spontaneity and there is no scope for manodharma. You are always limited and you are restrained by so many other elements. The Abhinaya Manodharma, according to Bala, should flow as much as a level of a musician. She had excellent musicians whom she shared with my sister Premada and myself. Now we don't have that kind of music anymore. We have some music which I'm trying to improve upon, with which to my best of ability. So that Vishranti in between is a must, she felt. As I told you again, that she would never sit during there is no this concept of Baitak Bhav which we have in Kathak, never. She thought that the laya orientation of each musical piece was very essential in enhancing the mood and the movements or the delineations of the hasta and pada vinyogas. Anyway, this medium-paced walk actually helps in building up a bridge between the musician and the dancer, and there goes an unbroken chain of activity with that kind of Vishranti note. So just to give an idea of one charanam of a padam, and of course the subtle touch, as I told you, the hasta vinyogas were never limited, what I showed in Unnai Thudan Pinil. Hands were all clearly marked and defined. That was not meant to be like showing a subtle touch, never. The subtle touch came like, for example, வாலையோ இளம் பாசலை கொடி பாடந்த கொங்கையோ மலர்ந்த முகமோ என்னாமோ நான் அறியேனே வாலையோ இளம் பாசலை கொடி பாடந்த கொங்கையோ. Here showing like this, and then when she is a little more mature and grown up, you know how it can be shown also otherwise. Before I go to the excerpt of the Padam, just one more idea I want to explain. Like how the Sangati and the spontaneity of a hand can be combined. This is an example, although many other things I have reworked according to the present day term. வாத்தியார் சொன்னதுன்னு இல்லாமல் நான் பண்ணினேன்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு பயமாக இருக்கானா, என்னோட வயசுனால சிலதெல்லாம் நான் நிறைய, but never deviating from Bala's path, thought process. But this one, she taught me when I was learning for Arangetam. I was a very young maiden at the time. So it is etched in my golden memory because she was a supreme singer. And when she sometimes sang, she was just singing, no dance. You could just, Anna must have, we have all seen a lot of her. Here in the Javali Entatikulike, Hoyalu Miri Vidilona, Hoyalu Miri Vidilona, Bayalu Devi Nannu Juji భయములేక పాట కన్ను సైగ జేయునేది ఎంతటి కులుకే భయములేక పాట కన్ను సైగ జేయునేది ఎంతటి కులుకే. ஸோ தி சண்முகைக அது பாலா பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். அப்படி ஒரு அந்த மூமெண்ட் சடனாக ஒரு ஸ்பான்டேனிட்டியோட வந்தது. Before I go to the Padam, I'd just like to say a few words about Tillana, which has a rigorous setup in Kandapa's Bani, same as with 5 jatis and their elaboration and tattumeters. The 3 Poyadavas, Poyadavu we call as that which is not stamped fully. Poi. எங்கள் வாத்தியார் கணேசன் சொல்லுவார், கொஞ்சம் பொய் பேசலாமாம்மா அப்படிம்பார். அதாவது இந்த பொய், இந்த அடவுகள் எடுக்கிறது. Sometimes the third பொய்யடவு is always replaced by a கெத்து. கந்தப்பா ரொம்ப அழகாக ஒரு கெத்து பண்ணியிருக்கார் மந்தாரி தில்லானாக்கு. வாடியல்தல் வடிவேலரை கூட்டிவாய கூடிமருவி கூலவி வீழைய வாடியல்தல் வடிவேலரை கூட்டிவாய கூடிமருவி கூலவி வீழைய வாடியல்தன் வாடிவேலரை கூட்டிவாய கூடிமருவி கூலவி வீழைய வாடியல்தன் வாடிவேலரை கூட்டிவாய கூடிமருவி கூலவி வீழைய வாடியல்தன் வாடிவேலரை கூட்டிவாய கூடிமருவி கூலவி வீழைய படுவார் காம்போதி மாய போடி போடுவார் என் மீதில் ஓடி அவரை போ ஈடு ஜோடுள் டோடி பிடித்தார் எந்தன் கை கொடுத்த மணி கம்போடி அவரை போ ஈடு ஜோடுள் டோடி பிடித்தார் எந்தல் கை கொடுத்தார் மணிக்கம் நடி அவர் கேட்ட செஞ்சொல் பதம் பாடி மூடி செய்யாய மலை ஓடி ஆகை துவாபத ஜீவ தூரு தென் ஆவி பதை வகை சொல்ல I have done this, the shlokam, Navarasa shlokam, long back, accompanied